Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for the boys. Today we're diving into the top 3 viral trends on YouTube that you don't want to miss. Let's jump right in. First up, we have YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized videos, lasting up to 60 seconds, are taking the platform by storm. People love quick, entertaining content, and Shorts are perfect for that. Whether it's funny skits, quick tutorials, or mind-blowing facts, Shorts keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Have you tried creating a short yet? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's talk about nostalgia content. From retro reviews to What Happened to Ka series, tapping into nostalgia has become a powerful tool for creators. We all love reminiscing about the good old days, right? Videos that explore classic games, movies, or trends from the 90s and 2000s spark strong emotions and encourage viewers to share their own memories. What's your favorite nostalgic show? Drop it in the comments. Trend number 3. Reaction videos. And finally, we can't forget about reaction videos. Whether it's reacting to viral TikToks, movie trailers, or current events, people love seeing genuine reactions. It creates a sense of community as viewers connect over shared experiences. Plus, it's super fun to see how others react to what you're watching. Have you watched any great reaction videos lately? Let me know. So there you have it, the top 3 viral trends on YouTube. Which trend are you most excited to try or watch? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.